Gridlock Industries. We are in Dallas, Texas. Big D, little a, double L, A, S. One of our good builders is over here in this neighborhood. They did a tear down. Geotech report revealed this soil had a high PVR. PVR is potential vertical rise. It's the number of inches that soil will swell from dry to wet. It's a key parameter in your geotech report. We're injecting the soil because of the high PVR with a special solution. It takes that PVR and we're going to reduce it to below 1%. That's another key component of your geotech report. Your engineer will then specify how much he wants us to reduce the PVR based off the foundation, the engineering of the foundation that you're going to install. Sometimes it works in the order of they do the geotech report, we come out here and inject, then they determine what kind of foundation that they're going to engineer for the home. So the homeowner has years and years of no movement, solid soil. We chemically treat the soil. It's not hazardous, it's eco-friendly, and folks, it's permanent. That's another key element of our process. The chemical injection treatment of this clay soil is permanent and it's not toxic. We're not going to get down into the groundwater. It's eco-friendly and it's non-hazardous. But the key is here, this soil, this foundation of this home will have no issue for the life of the home because the process is permanent. If you're a home builder, get in contact with us. Send us your architectural plans. I like to have the architectural plans because that gives me the actual square footage of the foundation. The foundation plans generally don't. It's the architectural plans that will have the foundation square footage. And then most of the time, the geotech engineer will specify how we inject. We follow his instructions. Sometimes we'll inject 2, maybe 3 and 5 feet outside the forms of the foundation. So we need all that information. Also, I need parameters of the clay soil, like plasticity, of course the PVR, and then look at the profile of the soil that they took. Most core samples are down at least 10 feet. With Gridlock Industries, we're going to be responsive. Give us a call. We'll get out there, send me over the plans. I'll do a drive-by, see what our water situation is. Sometimes the home builder will need to get a temporary water meter that we can connect to the fire hydrant, run water to the place. Now, you see we're doing some pre-construction injection, stabilizing all this soil out here. What are some other applications for chemical injection stabilization? Well, one, if you have an existing home and you think you might need piers, but all you really have is the seasonal movement, maybe one corner of your house, one side of your house is coming up or sinking a half an inch, not over an inch, inch and a half a year, we can come out and fix that. We'll come out, do a perimeter injection around the foundation of your home, eliminate the need of piers. If you even do get a pier, you haven't fixed the problem. And the problem is the swell and contraction of the clay. Gridlock Industries special formulated and soil injection chemical stops the absorption of water, thereby stopping the swell and the contraction on the soil, thereby stopping the movement of your foundation. Some other applications are pools. We have several pool builders that call us. We come out right after excavation, inject the floor of the pool. They put the steel in, plumbing in, and get the gunite. So once they get the gunite shot, we come back out and inject around the pool and all the pool decking. This is a critical step in pool construction in North Texas. The clay here is highly expansive, and if you have a pool builder that has not brought this up, give us a call directly, and we'll give you a free consultation on the injection for your pool and decking. And pools are concrete products. The deckings are either pavers or concrete, and there's two things that concrete does in Texas. That is, it's gonna get hard, and then it's gonna crack. It will move, your pool will move, your decking will shift over the life of the pool. If you're there for 5-10 years-ish, you're gonna have issues with the pool and the foundation of that pool and the shell of that pool moving or your deck moving. Gridlock Industries has a solution. Chemical injection of the pool floor and all the decking will give you a lifetime of memories and fun and no worries. Other applications are flat work. I have 3 paver companies that call us, and we go out to their job sites and we'll inject where they're going to put the pavers in, that it's completely eliminated their callbacks. Happy customers, pavers haven't moved, everything's rock solid. We have an eco-friendly, safe, non-hazardous chemical that we inject in the soil. It stops the expansion and contraction. Contact Gridlock Industries. If you have a home being built, home contractors, call me. If you're a pool builder and say your company doesn't know that much about soil injection or soil stabilization, give me a call. Gridlock Industries, soil stabilization. This happens to be pre-construction foundation injection. We're going to get this soil down below 1%. Your home, your existing home. Noticing seasonal movement in your foundation, cracks in the walls, cracks in the brick veneer, we can come and do a perimeter injection on that thing. Stop it. Construction, pools, pool decks, flat work, anything that you're going to build slab on grade. We also have a skid steer that's on our bigger jobs. Right now it's on a commercial job. With homes and commercial, the soil injection stabilization gives you the option to build slab on grade. Save you hundreds of thousands of dollars depending on how big your job is. We saved one commercial contractor $150,000. We injected his 30,000 square foot building. He didn't have to excavate out 10 feet of dirt and bring back select fill, compact it, and do a hydro injection on it and compact it. That cost a lot of money. Soil stabilization through chemical injection will save you hundreds of thousands of dollars if you're a commercial guy. Just a little review: home foundation, existing homes, pool construction, pool flat work, commercial applications. Give me a call. Anytime that you're going to be building in this North Texas area, it has very, very, very expansive clay soils. Protect that most valued investment that you're building on the ground. Gridlock Industries.